this setup, absolutely epic. We found the best spot, the middle of the road. You got both sides covered. Just come down today?
Yeah, just come down and have a bit of a wash, eh?
Yeah, nice. Ew. The gold man. Oh, she's a beauty, this one. Look at those mirrors. She's a stunner. Yeah. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds and
Shed life, and it's a wonderful day today in Whangamatā. The weather gods have turned it on for us.
For Repco Beach Hop. So today was meant to be in Pawanui, but because of the beautiful weather, they've changed it, and now we're in Whangamatā. The main street's going off. There's classic cars cruising up and down. Repco's got their stand set up, so don't let the weather put you off. Come down, have a good time, check out all the classics.
Get yourself a program, $5. They hustled me, got me two.
Yeah, he's got 2 chances to win now. Answer the simple question, win yourself a classic car and get down and enjoy it. So today, tomorrow are both going to be in Whangamatā, and then guess what that means? Saturday's in Whangas as well.
Woo-hoo.
So Whanga's going to be going off. Woo! Absolutely beautiful stuff. We're going to go around today, check it all out. So yeah, check us out. Woo! Beach hop's going off. The rain's not holding anybody back. I've found this absolutely immaculate Kingswood in cherry red. It's beautiful. And then just look at it. Next to it, you got a Camaro, and on the other side, a hot rod replica. Cars cruising up and down the street, and it's just fantastic to see. The rain's not stopping anyone. This is so far one of my favorites I've seen, except for all those sweet Hiluxes, of course. Check this out. 1934 Ford 40, and just absolutely stunning. It is amazing the work that goes into these, the chrome detailing, the paint jobs, and then just so awesome that they're out here still, rain or shine, letting us see it. Next door we've got Route 16 models. They're down here. They've got a pop-up shop inside a barber shop, and they've got all their amazing models for sale, so come on down, check that out. Check out this rig, absolutely custom side exhaust pumping out there, 35s on it by the look of it. Beautiful Toyota with a matte paint job. I've never seen anything quite like that, except for one Hilux, but that had been painted with a paint roller, where this seems like it's been done a little bit better. But they're not all classics out there. There's also some new school classics. We found the best spot, the middle of the road. You got both sides covered. You got absolutely epic wagon vehicles coming along, classic camper vans.
Sick Ford,
give her a rev it up. Oh, he's gonna drop it.
We got the Galaxy. Oh yeah. That's all we want to say.
Bloody awesome. How's it going?
Oh, not too bad, but moist.
Yeah, give her a rev for us.
Yeah, that's all I want to say. And now we got a Ranger.
Got a Ranger.
Oh,
Zephyr. Absolutely beautiful. Little thing is perfect. Absolutely beautiful. You guys having a good time?
Yeah, morning beers.
Yeah, it's awesome, eh? Don't let a bit of rain put us off.
No way.
Man, she's an awesome find. Cheers.
Oh,
yeah.
Look at what we got over
What
here.
do we got here, mate? A wet day. A wet day. Oh, he's very observant, eh? Beautiful.
Hot rods, hot rod shops, ruined. Damn.
Ooh.
Oh, what's rolling in this one, eh?
Sounding very good there, mate. Sounds very good.
Yeah, a bit different down here, eh?
Yeah, where you guys come from?
Up in Auckland.
Up in Auckland, beautiful. Just come down today?
Yeah, just come down and have a bit of a wash, eh?
Yeah, nice. Damn.
Long road, yeah, hell yeah. Oh, then we got the work wagon. Oh, just rumbling.
Yeah,
this is the road. We'll just stand here in the middle of the road.
Yeah, this was the
Caddy
spot.
61, it's
We
rolling
need a couple
back
of deck
through.
chairs.
We need to see. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, nice Hilux.
Oh,
yeah,
Hilux load,
beautiful.
that's what
Great
it
model,
is.
this great colour combo. Love it.
Oh,
Beauty.
Cortina.
Cheers.
Yeah, we love it.
Woohoo.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, nice
classic
commie. Nice
Yeah.
view, fellas.
Holy moly, look how
Look
wide
at that,
this
she's
Impala is.
beautiful.
That's sick. Oh, the
Yeah,
low
low riding it. Woo.
Oh, yeah, that's sick. Bouncing his phone out.
Yeah.
Damn, Oldsmobile.
Yeah,
Oh,
nice. Got the
happy
little
kids.
one in the back.
Chevys, Kingswoods.
Yeah, beauty.
Look at this thing.
Absolutely fantastic. This Kingswood looks like it's come straight out of the shed.
Yeah,
absolute
straight out of the
beauty,
showroom.
original as. Oh, here we
Made in the
go.
Hilux. This is
A
what
real
we're
bloke and a
for.
real you, eh?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Where's your next stop now, mate?
All these flash cars around. This is by
Yeah,
far the
got the
best.
protein
by far
gains
the
on there.
best.
Oh, not a GT. Still sick.
Yeah, that's absolutely
Loving the
immaculate.
mags.
The gold racing stripe, the gold mags.
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff. Look at this, sacked out.
Yeah.
You beauty.
Twin cab, pumping it. What are we running? NOS action in the
Airbags, I
back.
think. That's like
Airbags
sacked out.
even
Yeah,
sicker.
bag. Something.
Kiowa
Yeah,
Cruisers.
nice.
Oh, that's it. Just waft me that
Yeah,
perfume,
bag that
mate.
stuff up, eh? Oh, she's a beauty, this
Yeah.
one. The old Ford F100.
That's it, eh? We're going carbon
Oh, another
neutral.
beautiful Mustang.
Oh, beautiful. More
Oh.
60s Galaxies. Oh,
Another Hilux,
Hilux.
beautiful.
Wow, we love it, eh?
Nice.
Cruiser, custom
Oh, nice
mags.
wheels, yeah.
Oh, the Diplomat.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
Cheers, mate. The rain's basically stopped. Yeah, there's a 52 V8.
That's
Sounding absolutely fantastic.
Oh,
Nice, here we
okay.
go. That's beauty.
That's what I want to see. The Apache
Yeah.
wagon rolling
Cheers.
through. Just
Oh,
humming along.
Immaculate.
Sicked out lowriders on the back there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is it.
That's
We want
nice,
some flames
eh?
going on the
Gives
side.
a rev, brother.
Yeah, cracker woody.
Woohoo!
Nice hybrid red Ford.
Oh, good, went for the more fuel efficient. Nice, smart. Look at this, back to a mint.
Yeah.
She's a mint to that one for sure.
Oh, here we
Yeah,
go.
nice.
Ben Presling's
Paul
the
Walker,
dream.
GTR, Ben Presley.
Yeah,
gives a
this is
rev.
sick. Come on.
Come on, gives a rev, brother.
Yeah, we're loving it.
Come on.
Oh, yeah. That's what we want to see. Bit of
Nice.
skyline
Back to the
action.
classics.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's wow.
It's a good mix of everything. Skylines, classics, new school
Yeah,
classics,
that's
hot rods, the
Oh,
whole.
look at that shopping trolley. Oh, double cars. We're wanting to see it. Hot
Nice.
rods, the OGs.
The 32. No replacement for cubic displacement.
Bad company. Look at this one. This Galaxy looks like it's rolling.
It's
around.
absolutely epic. Look at this bad boy here though. Got the whole family in
Yeah,
it.
that's it.
They're from the far north. Shout out to the far north.
Steve-O!
Steve-O! Our old mate Steve-O brought the rig
Steve-O's there
down.
on the
Got a
phone.
full back seat.
Get it out.
Whoa,
Deep South.
shout out the Deep South, Invercargill,
Oh,
Bluff.
I'm loving
They've
that
come the whole
GT.
way up, $2,500 just to get here.
Just
This
get
is
the
a
perfume
beautiful
into our
ute there.
nostrils. Legacy wagon.
Hey, those dogs are driving.
I love seeing a dog drive a car.
Nice, beautiful.
Oh,
G'day
Impala.
mate, where you come up from? Telbury. Telbury, beautiful. Gives
Yeah.
a rev, eh?
Oh, crazy 68.
Oh, look at this setup,
matching.
absolutely epic.
Even though, yeah, that's give
all
us
the
a-
details on that.
Yeah, the longboard's rolling around
Nice,
again.
the long bed.
Oh, that's give us the perfume. Shoo! That's the sick SS. Oh, yeah, that's what we
dropping
wanna
it.
see. Hold your horses.
The Delika.
We got a Delika rolling through. Just salute the Delika.
Nicest Delika so far.
It's
Oh
in
no,
the
this is the Delika. The sports pack. It's beautiful. Hey, nice.
Second
Look at
low.
those mirrors. She's a stunner. Woohoo. Riding on the bump stop.
For him,
Yeah,
mum's
beautiful.
ride,
Another
eh?
nice F100. We've seen a much older one. This one must be in the 90s. Look at the size of that deck on there.
Got a few sheets of ply in that one.
Yeah, a few sheets of ply, a few sheets of roofing iron.
Oh.
Look at this. I don't even know what this is, but it's awesome.
Yeah,
Cheers.
that's cool.
Hey,
I'm
mate,
loving
where
these
you guys
mags.
come up from?
Whangamatā.
Whangamatā, beautiful. Why not, eh?
You know where it is?
No idea.
2.5 hours south of Christchurch.
Oh, beautiful. Good on you guys. Gives a rev, eh?
Yeah, give us a sniff.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
that's what we
That'll
want.
cost 80 bucks.
Classic commie,
Yeah,
childhood
go
dreams.
the commie.
Oh, here we
Woo!
go.
Go the
This is,
Kingswood. Look at that supercharged beauty.
Oh,
Oh, the GTO,
rocket man.
beautiful. Paint job, fantastic.
Range
The
Rover.
Range, is that the Queen in there?
Yeah, salute. Another
Look at that thing, absolutely immaculate as well.
And that's another commie for you, Mark. HSVs.
woo!
And that,
Absolutely awesome. Where are you guys up from? Palmy, beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't let the weather hold it back, eh?
It's got the Hemi 265
Wells
up from Palmy. Cheer, brother. Gives a rev.
Oh, yeah. That's how you do.
Look at
Oh,
this, keep
man.
on coming. Look at this,
that,
absolutely epic barn find. Driven it straight out of the barn into Beach Hop. Where are you guys over from?
Wairarapa.
Wairarapa, beautiful. Nice trip up.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah.
Awesome. First Beach Hop?
No, second for me, but I'm out the 10th.
Ah, fantastic. Awesome vehicle. You had it long?
5-6 years.
Yeah, nice. And this is how you found it, or you've
Yeah,
done the
pretty much.
Yeah, and then
Came-
just a
came
clear
from
coat
like
over it.
this. Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Yep.
Awesome.
Came from middle of Texas.
Yeah, all right, fantastic. Thank you.
Check it out, chained it in the back, the low riding crew in there,
Woo!
kids
Got
in
the
the
little
back.
one in the back.
Oh, hot rods,
Yeah,
we loving
nice.
it. Don't let the weather, that's look at that thing.
That is
The
crazy
tub,
cool.
32's
32
back
back
again.
for round.
I'm pretty sure the Toyota's doing a few laps as
Yeah,
well.
nice.
We got custom mags on this Toyota here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the Zephyr. This has got
Nice,
like
another
a
cool
supercharger.
Zephyr. Quite an old one.
Yeah.
Got the modgies on it.
Whereabouts do you guys come up from?
Whangamatā.
Whangamatā, coming down from the 6 Zephyr, eh?
Yeah, come down to the party.
Yeah, man, awesome. That's it. People are coming in from all over the show.
Yeah,
ready
we've had
to
people
try
from the
back
deep
shop.
south, from Whangamatā. Look at this, so this
Oh.
is absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Full on wagon, but only a two-door,
Two-door
which is pretty
wagon.
epic.
Awesome. Whereabouts are you guys rolled in from with this sick ride?
G'day mate, how are you?
Yeah, good. Whereabouts are you guys coming? Or even digital dash situation there?
Yeah, no, we're down, up here from Christchurch. Littleton.
Nice, good cruise up.
Yeah, no, it was awesome, mate.
Oh, well, we'll turn the weather on for you today.
I know.
Yeah, you don't need to
Yeah,
worry
it's
about
beautiful.
cleaning it.
I love the detail here. What a ride.
Yeah, oh, it gives a rev, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
That's it.
one of the commies.
Yeah,
Look
sick
at this,
commie.
absolutely awesome. Tunneled ram
Yeah.
commie. SS, go Peter Brock. Where are you guys come up from?
Tauranga.
Tauranga, awesome. You drive up in a classic or you
Yeah,
just hit
I bought the ute with our scooters.
Nice.
And then
What sort of ute have you got?
D-Max.
D-Max.
Yeah, but we've also got a Chevy, which is really cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Where's
Alright.
the party
come
at
in,
tonight?
come in
Where's
later.
that?
It's in here.
It's in here.
I can't tell you the name of the room. Number one.
Number
We're not
36.
revealing the room numbers yet.
I got a slushy machine for my birthday, so
Oh.
got to try these things, and we'll take you for a ride in the Chevy.
Awesome. Cheers. Happy birthday.
That's all I want
Oh,
to smell.
smells like dollar bills.
Yeah, that's it, eh?
Oh, that car's already in at the gas station.
Yeah,
Run
that's
through a tank. Burger Fuel been supporting Beach Hop for years as well. Always here And they've got the Ford Freakout over here, was always my go-to burger. So absolutely awesome to see its namesake there.
Yeah.
Awesome, we've had an awesome time. Even though it's been raining, it's still been an awesome turnout. This year it's all about Route 66 and celebrating that culture, and it certainly felt like we've been on Route 66 today, Jace.
100%. We've been in Radiator Springs, Whangamatā. The sky sprung a little bit of a leak, but we've still had a great time. We've seen heaps of awesome rides. If you want to see more, check out the Shed Life, check out the Waikato Shed socials, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There's heaps more reels and cool cars on here. But cheers for everybody following us along and letting us share this awesome journeys.
Awesome.
Well, you know it. Great
Sheds done right.